I'm just trying to understand why the helicopters gotta be around right now. Like, what y'all looking for? Who y'all looking for? I don't even know if you guys can hear it, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lyasia. Thanks for joining in. Today I wanted to give you guys a first impression video of products that I've never used before, and it is from the Mix Chicks line. So I'll be using the Mix Chicks leave-in, and then also I saw the Curl Sculptor. Now, I've heard lots and lots of great things about the leave-in conditioner, but I've never seen anyone try this Curl Sculptor, and I saw it in Target and I was just like, what's this? So I decided to just pick it up and give you guys a first impression and a review on my thoughts and if it's something I think that's worth you picking up and trying yourself. So I'll stop with all of my talking, all of the yapping, and let's just jump right into the video. So my hair has been freshly washed, so it is damp at the moment. And I'm going in with the Mix Chicks leave-in conditioner first. Smells good. So since I'm using these two products, which is the leave-in conditioner and the Sculptor, which I'm assuming is gonna be like my gel, like the holding aspect of this, I'm gonna use the leave-in as my base and as my cream. So I'll use that on each section and then apply the Sculptor on top. So I'm just gonna re-wet my section so that it's nice and wet. And now I'm gonna take some of the Mix Chicks leave-in. I used about a dime, maybe nickel size amount, I really don't know. But I'm gonna use enough of that only because this is my only cream that I'm using today. So I'm gonna work that into the section, a good amount to really moisturize. And it feels nice. I like the consistency, I like the smell. Feels good. It's starting to like, wow. Wow. Time out. Look how it clumped my curls. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look how it already started clumping my curls. All right. We're off to a good start. We are off to a good start. I'm so shook, and I didn't even go in with my Denman comb, which usually helps like get my curls extra popping. I did not do any of that. All right, all right. Let me keep going. So this section of my hair does curl a lot more. Like I feel like the nape of my neck is the curliest. So I'm not gonna let this deceive me too soon because the back of my hair, this part really gets like really curly. So let's just keep going. I am actually still gonna take my comb because it's what I do. So it may interrupt a little bit in the clumping that just happened, but this is my routine, so I'm just gonna stick with it. And right, wow, I'm okay. Okay, next is what I'm really interested in is the Curl Sculptor. Now, usually I don't even go for products that sound really gimmicky, like Curl Activator and Curl Sculptor and all the things that sounds real gimmicky. I don't know why, it just feels very gimmicky to me. So I'm not really intrigued by it, but because I knew I wanted to try the leave-in for so long, and I saw this and I was just like, you know what? Let me do a first impression on them both as a combo and see if we have a hit. So I'm gonna go on with this. The Curl Sculptor says, this fast-drying, weightless curl creator provides definition for curly textures, elongates curl, softens and moisturizes with Pro Vitamin B5. So let's go in. All right, it is like it's not even like a jelly or gel consistency at all. It's actually kind of, it's really loose and wet and kind of has a strong scent to it. Let's see. Well, it feels nice in my hair actually. Like it actually feels good. It's not a jelly, it's not a gel. It's like a wet, it's kind of liquidy, but it feels nice. And once I put it on my hair, it makes it feel kind of thicker than what it feels in my hand. All right, so let's see. I'm just gonna let it go. Wow. Time out. I hope you guys see this. Like, let me shingle, but keep it as clumped as possible. Wow. I can't even, like, I don't want to separate it. I don't want to ruin it, but okay. Y'all, I'm gonna try to keep it as clumped as possible by just shingling it where it like is clumping on its own. All right, I'm feeling good. And I will say, a lot of people that I know that use this say they use it for their wash and goes like alone and they do nothing else. And I was just like, you just use a leave-in conditioner, you keep it going. And the people that I know say that they just use this leave-in for their wash and goes and nothing else. I did notice that they have more of a looser texture than myself. So I was kind of like, all right, maybe I can understand why your hair allows you to use just a leave-in, because I'm always like, my hair will never be able to do that. But look how the leave-in is clumping my curls. Let me keep my composure. So let me just make sure I don't have any knots in it before I shingle, because I don't want it to get a bunch of single strand knots, which happens all the time. I don't know how much hold this is gonna give because it feels really lightweight. It doesn't feel like much hold at all, but it's creating some cute curls, I have to say. It's definitely gonna be a fluffy wash and go, I can tell. But it seems like it'll stay defined, hopefully, I don't know. You guys seen this routine a million times, so I'm gonna just quickly finish the rest of my hair and then I'll let you know my thoughts on how I like the results and more info on the products and all that good stuff. I'll be back in what's probably gonna be in an hour in my time, but for you, it's gonna be in like a second, so. All right, guys, I'm back and my hair is completely dry, fluffed out. Let's get right into the review and my thoughts of these products. Overall, I think my hair looks great. I love how big it is and fluffy. It's definitely voluminous, and that's the first thing I said once I fluffed it out and my hair was done. I was like, wow, that is a lot of volume for day one. So the next thing that I did notice as I was fluffing my hair out is that my hair doesn't really feel that moisturized. Normally, my hair on day one will feel more juicy and more moisturized, and I'm pretty sure that it doesn't feel that way, mainly because I skipped a step that I'm used to, that my hair is used to, and that is a cream. I just usually always have leave-in conditioner, cream, and then whatever products that's gonna like give me more hold and definition. So being that I decided to just use the leave-in, the Mixed Chicks leave-in, and pair it with the Mixed Chicks Curl Sculptor, it left that room in the middle that my hair is normally used to. So I think that's why I don't feel like my hair is as moisturized as it would normally be. It's not that bad, like it's not, oh my gosh, crazy dry, but it definitely doesn't feel as juicy as my hair would normally feel. It's way more voluminous than anything. So if you aren't someone who likes a lot of volume over definition, if you're someone that doesn't like a lot of volume over definition, then I don't know if you would like this. So the leave-in conditioner is priced at $19.99 at Target. I was kind of like, digging into my pockets here for a leave-in. You know, it's one thing if this is your one and only product maybe, then for the price, you feel like, hey, I can just use this for my wash and goes, I'm good, I'm great, I throw a little gel on top, I'm good. You know, for me, she ain't working just alone. So that means I have to buy the leave-in, I have to buy another cream, and then I have to buy the gel, you know, and everyone just simply can't afford to go spend $20 on a leave-in. Period. Without a doubt, you guys saw this leave-in conditioner started clumping my curls in like crazy, and that was popping. So I have to give it that. It did clump my curls really nicely. And hey, that may make it worth the money for you. Moving on to the Curl Sculptor. The Curl Sculptor is going for $9.99. So $9.99 is not bad. I like it. It's weird because I don't really know 100% what the like, it's not a gel. Like, as when I was trying to explain it in the video, that it's not a gel, it's not a jelly, it's like a loose, I'm trying to think of something to compare it to, the texture. Ooh. Oh, maybe it's like a setting lotion. Like, have you ever used to, like, when your hair was straight, I mean, if you've ever used a setting lotion, maybe you know what I'm referring to. I remember when my hair was relaxed and I used to get wash and sets, sometimes you can use like that Infusium. Yes, Infusium 23. If you know what I'm talking about, leave me a comment below if you've used Infusium, I think it's called Infusium 23. And that's what this texture is. It's like that. Now, I get a feeling that because it's fluffy like this, I don't know how far in the week I'm gonna go with this wash and go. It's decent for me. I feel like it's something I could use if I'm trying to do like a quick wash and go and I'm looking for something that's fluffy and I want it to look this way day one because I'm going somewhere and I want this right away, then I would use this combo like 100%. So overall, my thoughts on the products are, I do think that the leave-in conditioner is pretty pricey and I don't know that it's necessarily worth it 100%. I don't know, I like it. I did like that it clumped the curls. So if you really like that, what you saw and felt like that made you really interested in, I would say go spend your money. If not, if you have a product that kind of clumps your curls already and you're good with it, then maybe she ain't worth you spending that coin. The Curl Sculptor, again, I feel like I'm left confused. It's like I was really shook in the beginning of it and now I'm still left confused, like I don't really know. Yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. That's all I ever want my videos to do, is to be helpful for you guys. And I love it when you tell me how much my videos have been helping you. That means so, so much. Let me know another product line you want me to do this first impression on. I kind of like just testing things out on camera for the first time for like a natural raw reaction. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you can join the family. And that's all. I will see you guys at my next upload.